Hi friends, how are you today? I am going to show how to Revolved Boss use in SOLIDWORks 2025. We learn it. First of all, open the SOLIDWORks software, then go to File and select New and select Part. I am going to now select Front Plane and Sketch. Now go to Line Tools. Now draw the center line from origin. Now go to again line. Now select here vertical line and horizontal and vertical angle, vertical, horizontal, vertical and horizontal, vertical and horizontal. Okay. Now go to smart dimension. Now this point and this line dimension 35. Okay. Now this line and this line distance 18. Okay. This line and this line distance 12. Okay. Now go to this line height 55. Okay. Now this line thickness 5 and this line man dimension 5. Okay. Now this line and this point dimension 28. Okay, and this line and this point dimension 11. Okay, now this line and this line degree 45. Okay, select. Now go to this point, control this point horizontal. Okay, just move here. Just move here. 28, 55. I am going to check the all dimension. Check 55, 28, 11, 11, 5, 35, 18, 12. Now this line and this line distance 5. Okay. Dimension clear. Now go to feature and select revolve. Okay. Now go to this face and sketch. Now draw the circle here. Now give the radius diameter circle 8. Okay, select this point, control this point, vertical. Now go to feature and select extrude card. Okay. Now go to circular pattern, circular. I have select is. Now I have select cut. Now give the value 6. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Make our job. Thank you all everyone, share and like. If have any ask, you can write comments box. Our online class 1 to 1, you can join anywhere in the world. Our offline class is small base, so you can join online offline both system. Thank you all.